One of the things that happened with us when we were doing our planning retreat in Hagerman was this kind of almost venting session about all the problems with teaching narrative. So we kind of have to get those out there so we can address them and then kind of move on. So what we're going to ask you to complete is called we're calling it, it's usually called a SWOT analysis. It comes from Jeff Wilhelm's book, Inquiring Minds. But my husband doesn't like the word threats, which is what the T stood for, so he calls it a SWOO analysis, which he says is a much cooler word anyway. He teaches math for 7th grade, so that tells you where his mindset is most of the time. So what you're going to do on this SWOO analysis is list the strengths you and your students have when it comes to narrative, then list the weaknesses that you and your students have when it comes to narrative, teaching it, writing it, what opportunities are available for you and your students in the teaching and learning of narrative, and then what are some obstacles in your ability to teach and your students' ability to learn or write narrative. So if you take some reflective time again to yourself and fill that out.